Did you know about the amazing health benefits found in papaya leaf supplements? Imagine taking a daily supplement that provides a unique combination of health benefits in one capsule. Papaya leaf includes the protein digesting enzyme papain, the blood clotting enzyme fibrin, folate, potassium, antioxidants, vitamins A, C, E, beta-carotenes, and much more. From supporting digestion to boosting immunity and maintaining healthy blood platelet function, papaya leaf supplements are a smart addition to any diet. Herbal Papaya offers 3 different papaya leaf capsule products. The 100% papaya leaf extract comes in easy-to-take veggie capsules and uses the strongest papaya leaf extraction potency. Rest assured, these supplements are made from the highest quality 100% papaya leaves to support blood platelet function and boost the immune system. The Papaya Blood Support formula is a blend of potent herbs that promote blood rebuilding. This product helps to cleanse the bloodstream and maintain healthy blood platelets. It is vital to keep the bloodstream clean and as pure as possible so that the nutrients are effectively delivered to the cells and the body can fight off infections. These capsules are made with the knowledge that the bloodstream is vital to life itself. The last capsules that Herbal Papaya offers are in the form of papaya weight loss support. This herbal supplement blends tasty red raspberry and green coffee bean with papaya leaf extract. The weight loss capsules help to promote natural weight management while supporting efficient digestive system function. The blend of ingredients and enzymes help to suppress appetite, provide energy, speed up metabolism, and break down fats and proteins within the digestive tract. It's definitely an excellent addition to your daily weight loss regimen. Papaya leaf extract from Herbal Papaya offers a lot of unique and wonderful benefits. Try it today to reach your healthy lifestyle goals and stay happy with papaya. To learn more, visit Herbal Papaya online at www.herbalpapaya.com or call 1-800-820-4829.